In today's Daily Dose of Math, we're looking at a problem where I have to make two more of these structures, which are made out of chicken wire and are used to surround a garden bed. The garden bed is 12 foot by 4 foot. The chicken wire is from a roll that is 4 feet wide, and the roll costs $39 and has 50 feet of chicken wire in it. I have to figure out how many rolls of chicken wire I have to go and buy and how much money I'm going to spend in order to complete the project of making two more like this. So this one's already made. We're good with this one, but I'm making two more beds and I have to build the chicken wire panels to protect both of the two new beds. There's your question. How much money will I spend on how many rolls of chicken wire in order to be able to do this? So here we are doing our calculations. A summary of the problem we're dealing with is here. We need chicken wire. It comes in 50-foot rolls and it costs $39 per roll. We're using it to build protective barriers around two new garden beds, and the dimensions of the garden beds are 12 foot by 4 foot. Now, we're used to dealing with the metric system in the course that I teach, but when you talk about carpentry products, very often things are measured in feet and inches, and you have to be able to adapt to that. This entire problem doesn't mix the metric system and the imperial system, so it's a little easier because you're staying in the imperial system the whole time. We have to realize that even though we see 12 foot by 4 foot, we are not talking about area right now. If we were calculating something like how much grass seed we would spread across it, we might need an area calculation. But no, this is a structure that's being built around the outside edge of the garden bed, so it has to do with perimeter. We are using the perimeter of a rectangle formula, and I have two different versions of that formula. The perimeter of a rectangle is the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. So the long side plus the long side plus the short side plus the short side, that in this case is 12 plus 12 plus 4 plus 4, which is 32 feet. If we do it this way with this little shortcut formula, the length is the 12, the width is the 4, 12 plus 4 is 16, and of course the answer is still 32 feet. Now, for two beds though, we have to take our 32 feet and multiply it by 2 because we're doing this twice. So we need a total of 64 feet of chicken wire in order to enclose both garden beds. But the chicken wire comes in 50-foot rolls, so one roll will not be enough, and the answer to the question is I need 2 rolls. 2 times the $39 gives us a $78 purchase. We have calculated what we need to calculate before going to the store to purchase the chicken wire, and that is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.